Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a really nice and obviously well cared for Ford Smax. It has a really nice set of alloy wheels and the 4 tyres are like new. It has of course 7 seats and it's been freshly valeted. It comes fully serviced and with 3 months warranty. And there's the NCT. It has loads of NCT. The bodywork is excellent, the interior again is in excellent condition, and it's driving really well. We are located close to the Red Cow on Killeen Road, Dublin 10. We can be readily found on Google Maps, but please do call prior to travelling to view to avoid disappointment. In short, this is a really nice, clean, fully serviced Ford Smax with 4 almost new tyres and loads of NCT. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.